Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into Nutmeg Smart Alpha investment strategy. Found at nutmeg.com/smart-alpha, this approach offers a potentially intriguing way to manage your investments. So, what exactly is Smart Alpha and how does it work? Essentially, Nutmeg aims to provide a portfolio designed to outperform the market over the long term. They attempt to achieve this by combining passive and active management techniques. Passive investing involves tracking a specific market index, like the S&P 500, aiming to match its performance. Active management, on the other hand, involves a fund manager making decisions about which specific assets to buy and sell, hoping to beat the market's average return. Nutmeg Smart Alpha strategy blends these two philosophies. They create a core portfolio of passively managed investments, providing a broad market foundation. Then, they layer on top a selection of actively managed funds, chosen for their potential to generate higher returns. This combined approach seeks to capture market growth through passive investing while simultaneously aiming for outperformance through active management. Now, it's important to understand that no investment strategy guarantees returns, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Active management, in particular, carries an inherent risk. While it aims for higher returns, it also has the potential for greater losses if the fund manager's decisions don't pan out. Therefore, it's crucial to carefully consider your own risk tolerance and investment goals before deciding if Smart Alpha, or any investment strategy for that matter, is right for you. Nutmeg provides more details about Smart Alpha on their website, nutmeg.com/smart-alpha. There, you can delve deeper into the specifics of their methodology, the associated fees, and the potential risks involved. It's highly recommended that you thoroughly research and understand any investment strategy before committing your funds. Do your due diligence, and don't hesitate to seek advice from a qualified financial advisor if needed. Investing involves risk, and it's crucial to make informed decisions. Remember, you can find more information at nutmeg.com/smart-alpha.